Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, you're going to be able to open up a Power BI report, select a table in that Power BI report, and export it using Power Automate. And then in the next lesson, we're going to open up that same Power BI report, select that same Power BI table, and we're going to show you how you can transfer all the data in that Power BI table into an existing SharePoint list. And then in the last lesson, we're going to take that same Power BI table and select an item from that Power BI table and transfer that information to the SharePoint list. So we'll be using Power Automate to make all these things happen.